Hi, Vieira with the stockmarketlive.tv. In the live technical analysis course, you have a section called assignments. And assignments, it is a very important component of collaboration, which is part of the course. That is to say, it is required that you make your own exercises and you follow the instructions. So this week you are going to have plenty of companies reporting earnings, and you have an assignment in the course, so please log in to the course and you have it there. For example, companies as this one that you have also a stock pick in your course. I'm referring to Take-Two Interactive Software. It is one of the companies reporting earnings this week, and by the way, congratulations, this is one of the stocks trading at new all-time highs, 2017. You are going to have Twilio earnings also this week. You also have complementary live market calls on the blog of the company. You are going to have tomorrow morning, as other example, General Motors earnings. You are going to have Malin Kudrov earnings. So please log in. You have there an assignment, different stocks across different market sectors. And it is important that you create your own chart. Thereafter you can click on upload, and each chart has to mention the information that is required in the lesson. That is to say, as an example, what are you looking for, how would you play earnings in these companies, for example, whether you will have a long position, a short position, or no position at all, and an explanation. Also, the chart has to contain your lines. You have to do it or to create the chart according to the principles described in the course. It is very important. And please don't be afraid to be wrong about it, because it is by far preferable that you are wrong and you practice and you obtain our feedback before you start investing or trading in the markets with actual money. So it is not necessary to have positions. The more important is that you create your own charts according to the information that is required in the lesson, in the assignment, and then you share those with us, okay? Thereafter, we are going to choose certain charts. Bear in mind that I gave you here examples of companies reporting which charts are very different, and also companies listed on New York Stock Exchange, companies listed on NASDAQ. You have also to refer to the stock pivots according to your own experience. And then we are going to compare it with live market calls that you have in the course, as the example, the recent one, with Amazon, where I gave you a live stock chart. I refer to this is the pivot, this is what I'm looking for, and also in that particular case, since it is a lesson in the course, I included a video explaining everything in detail, all right? So very simple. The important, I repeat, is that you practice. Don't be afraid to be wrong, because there is nothing wrong about being wrong. What is wrong is not to do it and then to have positions in the market and to lose money, which is not obviously what you are looking for. So your success is going to depend also on these assignments and the way you take it, and it is rather serious, okay? So you have to go through, and there will be many assignments during the course where you already have plenty of lessons, stock picks, live market calls across different market sectors, also for you to practice. And I'm giving you this exercise ahead of earnings in certain companies, but it is also important to follow up the investment process in stock picks discussed in the service, also on the website, where you have the case of Take-Two Interactive company no one believed in, which is rather important. And by creating your own charts on the follow-up investment process, it is also other kind of assignment that you are going to have. As an example can be the case of Acadia Pharmaceuticals. It is a stock that has been discussed here for years, and where everyone is making lots of money. And I terminate by addressing this, the case of this company, Intuitive Surgical, Ethan Gym, closing today's session at new highs, above $700, and Wall Street had sell ratings and strong sell ratings, you know, at $98, at $250. It is almost, my friends, it is on the way to $800. Thank you and good luck.